If your air inflatable boat loses pressure, there are 4 likely causes: environmental factors, long-term seepage, leaking valves, and damaged air cells. Environmental factors like cold air or water and moving the boat to a lower elevation can make the boat appear to leak even if it hasn't. Most of the time, boaters will notice long-term seepage after they've stored their boat for a while. We air test all of our boats to make sure they will hold at least 2.5 pounds of pressure for 48 hours. If your boat has been in storage for a month or so, you may notice it has lost a little air. After you've thought about environmental factors and long-term seepage, and you still suspect there's a leak, please check your valves. Spray inside and around the valve with soapy water. If the valve is leaking, bubbles will form like this. Watch one of our valve maintenance videos for more info on stopping leaks. If no bubbles form when you spray the valve, inside and out, remove the air cell and spray it with soapy water. Bubbles like this will form if there is a hole. Check out our air cell repair video to learn how to patch holes in an air cell.